Hi, good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay. Now, can you please tell me about your last job?
My last job is I'm assistant sales in Mills Trading.
Okay, so you've been a sales assistant. So what were your duties and responsibilities out there?
Out in the office, I assist my auntie for her arrange the papers in the office.
Mm,
All those only
okay, just assisting. Okay, so how long you worked there?
2 years.
For 2 years. Finish your contract?
Yes,
Okay, great. So, what is the main reason you decided not to continue to work in that company?
because the salary is very low, so that's why.
Yeah. Since you're looking for a new employer because of that reason, how much would be the minimum salary you would ask this time?
1.8.
So, what do you like to do most in the house? Cleaning, cooking, or babysitting?
For me, I like cleaning or cooking. It's okay for my body.
What type of food can you cook?
I know how to make cake, and also I'm cook also vegetables.
Okay, good. And so, in cleaning, okay, just a little bit of knowledge about cleaning. What particular products or chemicals do you use to clean a toilet?
Dettol.
All right. And in babysitting, how do you try to get the baby to finish eating his or her food?
I asked if you want watching TV or we play somewhere in park or what else you
Okay.
like.
And what is your hobby?
Watching TV only.
And now, since you're back, how many years you see yourself to be here?
2 years,
Okay. And do you think you will be a good helper to your employer and why?
maybe because he trust me. Hmm.
Okay. Well, anyway, I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.